In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more columns to a worksheet in Tableau. Whether you're new to data visualization or a seasoned Tableau user, learning how to efficiently modify your worksheets can greatly enhance your data analysis capabilities. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Tableau public app on your computer. If you haven't done so already, make sure it's properly installed and up to date. Once the app is open, navigate to your worksheet. This might be a new worksheet you're just starting or an existing one where you need additional columns to expand your data insights. Next, you'll need to select the specific sheet where you want to add the columns. You can do this by browsing through the available sheets in your workbook and clicking on the one you're working on. This ensures that you're making changes to the correct sheet without affecting others. Now shift your attention to the menu bar at the top and click on Analysis. This option provides a variety of tools and settings that allow you to manipulate your data presentation. After clicking Analysis, look for the Table Layout option in the drop-down menu that appears. Table Layout is where you can make adjustments to how your data is structured and displayed within your worksheet. Once you're in the Table Layout section, you'll want to hit Advanced. This will open up another window that provides more detailed options for adjusting your table settings. Here you have the opportunity to customize how your worksheet displays its data by altering the default set by Tableau. In this advanced section, under the rows and columns settings, you have the ability to increase the number of columns. You can extend this up to a maximum of 50 columns, which can be incredibly useful if you're dealing with a large data set or complex analysis. Be mindful, however, that adding a significant number of columns may affect the performance of your worksheet, depending on your computer's specifications and the complexity of your data. After adjusting the number of columns to suit your needs, make sure to click Apply. This will implement the changes you've just made in the worksheet. Finally, click OK to exit the configuration window and return to your worksheet to see the newly added columns in action. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can add more columns to your Tableau worksheet, enhancing your ability to visualize and interpret large sets of data. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you streamline your data analysis in Tableau. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to catch more Tableau tips and tricks in the future. Happy analyzing!